Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Garland part #1,686,711. The motor for Garland part #1,686,711 is a direct replacement. Motor for Garland ovens. It is a single-phase, 115V, 60 Hz, 1/4 HP motor with a clockwise rotation. This motor is designed to replace the original motor in Garland ovens and can be used in other applications as well. The motor has an overall length of 6 to 1/2 inches and a shaft diameter of 5/8 inch. It also features an automatic thermal overload protection to help protect the motor from overheating. This motor is UL listed and CSI certified for safety and reliability. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for Garland ovens. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out motor and can help to fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the fan not working, or the oven not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the motor. 2. Remove the old motor from its mounting bracket and disconnect any wiring that is connected to it. 3. Install the new motor in the same location as the old one, making sure that all of the mounting holes line up correctly. 4. Securely fasten the motor in place with screws or bolts, depending on what type of mounting bracket is used. 5. Reconnect any wiring that was disconnected from the old motor and make sure all connections are secure and tight. 6. Finally, turn on the power to the motor and test. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.